Yeah, well, military drawing has been used throughout history, and it dates back all the way to the Renaissance. But it had been particularly deployed as a technique of warfare during the 19th and early 20th century, and it was often used as an intelligence gathering technique. Spies disguising themselves as artists and going out into the open air and painting river scenes, bridges, sort of road junctions, which are also military sensitive points. The point of the exercise was to try and draw as much information, or is take in as much of the scene as possible without looking at the page, which would have drawn attention to, you making the drawing. Toulouse-Lautrec used the technique quite a lot in his drawing of the Folies Bergère to kind of go unnoticed within sort of the bars of Paris. So you could probably speculate that this technique transferred from sort of military operations during the Franco-Prussian War and the French Civil War that was happening at the time, and worked its way into arts production.